as we decided to we decided to make a stopover, no, sa mapa lang. Ito yung area na binigay sa amin going to our hotel, no, in Ona. Kung may sunlight pa, maximize yung biyahe, maximize ang biyahe sa amin ng Google Maps. View. This is a stopover sa mga kung nag long distance drive ka, na we're in going central Okinawa. You find places like this. Maganda siya, no? Parang rest area. Siguro sa mga nag-date din, no? Kung ganito ang area. Pasok ka lang, then rest lang. Yan. May nag-date ng area. It's just along the highway. Guided lang kami ng Google Maps. Ito yung car that we rented. Toyota Passo. Para siyang Wigo, no? But mukhang malakas yung hatak. And of course, it's color yellow. Today is our third day of what do you call that? Cross Island driving from Naha, the capital city of Okinawa, going to the northernmost portion, yung Cape Hedo. Inabot namin kanina. Ano kaya to? What's the purpose of this? Landing troops, no? Pwede, no? Landing ng mga troops, packet dito, or vehicles, no? Sakay sa mga barges. Okay? Dito kami binigay, no? So this our way of taking photos, you know. Sa what we call this na cellphone. Ano tawag ng cellphone yan? Yung clip, no? Clip na cellphone. Okay. Continue our travel for today.